Welcome to a Peernet tutorial for Document Conversion Service, DCS for short. In this video, we will walk you through how to activate your purchased copy of Document Conversion Service. As part of your purchase, you will receive a serial number in the order confirmation email, which will allow you to install and activate the software. First, we recommend downloading and installing your purchased copy of Document Conversion Service, which is available through your Peernet online account. This will ensure you are using the most recent update of the software, although the trial version can be licensed. Whether you are activating the installed trial already set up on your machine or installing and activating the latest version from your online account, DCS needs to be stopped and restarted to pick up any license activation changes, as well as any configuration changes. If you are also running Watch Folder service, this service needs to be stopped and restarted before DCS is stopped. Therefore, we will begin by stopping Watch Folder service and then DCS. If you have been running the trial on your computer, we recommend copying the DCS configuration file, the Watch Folder configuration file, and any modified conversion profiles to save any changes you have made to them. We highly recommend performing this step if you have edited the configuration files on the trial to meet the needs of your organization and workflow during the evaluation period. This can be done by opening the configuration files from the Start menu and saving them to another location on your local computer. Save the Watch Folder service configuration file. Also, open and save the DCS configuration file. It is important to remember where you have backed up these files. To save a modified conversion profile, select Open Conversion Profiles folder from the Start menu and save the relevant conversion profile to another location on the local computer. Also record the account and password you are using to run DCS and Watch Folder service under. You can check which account you are running under in the Services Control panel. The account will be listed under Log On As for Peernet Document Conversion Service Monitor and Peernet Watch Folder Service. Now you can install your purchased copy of DCS. If you have been running a trial of DCS, the install will prompt you to uninstall the trial in order to install your purchased copy. We will uncheck Run Document Conversion Service Now because we want to restore our saved settings first. After installing, the software is still in a 30-day trial mode with watermarked output. You now need to license your purchased copy of DCS in order to get it out of this 30-day trial mode. Start the activation process by selecting Start, Document Conversion Service, and select License. The activation status dialog will appear. This will tell you how many days you have remaining in your 30-day trial period. Alternatively, it might say that your evaluation copy has expired, meaning that your 30-day trial period has elapsed already. In either case, click the top button that says, I have a serial number and want to activate my copy. This will launch the activation wizard. Enter your serial number in the blank field. If you have the serial number in your clipboard already, it will automatically appear in the field. Remember, your serial number can be found in either your order confirmation email or via your online account. If you are using a computer that doesn't have internet access, you can check this box to activate manually. Manual authorization requests are processed during business hours, which are 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, Eastern Standard Time, excluding statutory holidays. See our Document Conversion Service User Guide under Activating DCS, Manually Activating DCS for instructions on activating without an internet connection. Click Next, then enter your contact information. The name and organization information will be automatically picked up from your system settings when possible, although the information in the fields can be changed. You will also need to enter an email address. Click Next. Here you will see a summary of the previous screen. Click the back button if you need to edit any information. Click the next button if all the information is correct. When the product is successfully activated, this screen will show the activation status as activated. If an error occurred during activation, the activation status will show the error message. The most common error message would be, all your licenses have been assigned. This means that the license has already been used on another computer. If you'd like to purchase additional activations or need a license adjustment so the license can be reassigned to another computer, contact Peernet support at peernet@peernet.com. Click Finish. To restore the settings that we saved, open the folder where you saved the old DCS configuration file, old watch folder configuration file, and your modified conversion profile. Copy the old DCS configuration file into C drive, Program Files, Peernet Document Conversion Service, Core. Copy the old watch folder configuration file into C drive, Program Files, Peernet Document Conversion Service, Tools, Watch Folder Service. To copy the modified conversion profile, select Open Conversion Profiles folder from the Start menu and copy your modified conversion profile into that folder. These steps will restore DCS to any settings you changed during the evaluation period. If you are ever updating to a new version, copying these files will only restore the exact settings you had in the previous version. If you are wanting to access any of the new features released with that version, you would need to open the new and old files side by side and edit the new file to reflect past setting changes. Now we can restart DCS and Watch Folder service. Remember, once a license has been activated or you've made any changes to the configuration file, DCS must be stopped and restarted in order for it to pick up these changes. Similarly, if you are using Watch Folder service, the service needs to be stopped and restarted as well. If you ever need to check your activation status, you can always do so by going to Start, Document Conversion Service, and selecting License. The Change/Renew License button can be used to change your license or renew your license subscription. For example, you would use this button when upgrading from a Level 1 license to a Level 5 license within the same product version. It cannot be used to upgrade between product versions. Document Conversion Service requires an active OGS subscription. If your ongoing licensing and support subscription is not renewed by the expiry date, you will no longer be able to use Peernet Document Conversion Service to convert files. The software will begin shutting down at 11 p.m. on the last valid day of the ongoing licensing and support subscription, so that all files queued to be converted will be converted before the subscription ends and the service shuts down. Renewal is easy using your online account. Simply sign in to your online account using your email address and password, and all details in regards to pricing and renewing will be available to you there. You will receive notification emails reminding you of your annual renewal 45, 20, and 5 days prior to your expiry date. Once you have renewed your ongoing licensing and support subscription for another year via your online account, your servers need to recognize the new renewal period. If the server is connected to the internet, this will happen automatically. If the server does not have access to the internet, you will need to use the Change/Renew License button. For detailed instructions, follow our FAQ entitled, "What do I do to update the renewal date on my DCS server if my server has no internet connection?" Now your server is running a licensed and activated copy of DCS. As long as you maintain your ongoing licensing and support subscription annually, DCS will continue to run uninterrupted indefinitely. The best way to learn about Document Conversion Service is by trying it out yourself. Download our free trial and follow our Getting Started tutorial series for easy setup. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you are looking for an enterprise solution to streamline your business processes and boost efficiency, our Document Conversion Service is right for you. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.